Hi, this is Dansoy again, bringing you another food suggestion. These tomatoes are plum tomatoes. They're from Italy. They cost a little bit less money than the other ones, the ones in the yellow can, and they're really good quality. I buy these all the time. You can make tomato sauce. You can make sauce for pizza. You can add it to meals, but they're Italian whole peel tomatoes. They are perfect. They're usually really cheap in the USA and Canada. Usually you can get these for like $3 a can, where the other ones are almost $5 a can. But you can see like the redness in there and the plum tomatoes. But I love these things when making like homemade sauce, or you want to make pizza, or you want sauce for your cheesesteak. But here's one of the tomatoes. But plum tomatoes are in the juice, so you can drain the juice and use it in other things. You could just use the tomato. But with these cans of plum tomatoes, your imagination is unlimited. You can do whatever you want with it. But it's a perfect product, and I really enjoy it. So thanks for watching Food Suggestion. Thanks for visiting my channel. God bless. Can you please subscribe and hit the bell? Talk to you later. God bless.